Today I want to talk about sweet corn. So I planted 2 sweet corn plants here. Actually, this is not a suitable location because sweet corn needs full sunlight from morning to evening. But luckily, it do give out flowers. So sweet corn has 2 parts of flower. On the top of the plant is the male parts, and here we have the female parts. These male parts will shed pollens. See here, so this small part will shed pollens, and the pollens will be pollinated, will be fertilized into this female part. But the problem I have today is this female part is not bearing any silk yet. By this time, it should have give out hair or silk, which will receive the pollen from the male part. But if this female part don't give out hair, you will not have any fruit because no fertilization occur. So you get it clear? I have a problem here. This female part don't have hair, and while this male part has already give out their pollen. So if the hair comes out late, no pollination will occur because the male part will already have died. In that case, I will not have any fruit here. So first, let's understand why this happened. There are actually many factors that can contribute to this problem, but the main factor here is drought problem and high temperature. You know, now we have now it is so hot, and we barely water our plant. Yeah, this the worker just water it, but we barely water our plant. So most of the time it is wilting, and that's why the female part comes out late or will not come out at all. So the problem is drought. So what to do if you have this problem? First, you can assist the emergence of the silk or hair by cutting the plant, not the cob. Okay, like this. See, no sign of silking, but we can keep continuing, keep cutting. Still no silking. Let's cut some more. Some more. Yeah. Now you see there, this part here. This will come out. The hair will come out through here, and we will have some fruit. But this is not much. It's actually so little, but it's better than nothing. Okay, that's all. Are you clear with what I talk? Till we meet again in next video. Thank you.